Okay, listen here.
Mm-hmm.
So we start here with the CCNA. CCNA is nothing but Cisco Certified Network Associate. It's called CCNA. Okay. So in CCNA, in Cisco, Cisco manufacture networking products, a router, switches, firewall. These are products they are manufacturing, right? But we
Yeah.
have other companies also available. They are also manufacturing networking products. We have lot of companies available there in the market. They are also manufacturing networking products. But why we need to prefer to go for Cisco? Because in the world market, 70% of the market share has been occupied by Cisco. Remaining 30% has been occupied by all the other companies in the world. Okay, Cisco itself occupied 70% of the market share. Clear?
Yeah.
Apart from that, what is the other advantage of Cisco? Any idea, Aishwarya? Any idea? What is the other advantage of Cisco?
Mm, maybe because it's
Security.
that.
Okay,
Sorry.
security.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want to hack, if you want to hack any device, any company of router, if you go for Google, how to hack D-Link router. If you type how to hack D-Link router. Okay, D-Link router here. Okay, so D-Link router, how to hack D-Link router. If you give, we have lot of steps available for hacking D-Link router and all. Very easy to hack. But when it comes to Cisco here, it's not easy to hack actually. It's highly secure. It's highly secure. Is it clear? Is it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Support. Support wise. Okay. Support wise, Cisco is providing. Okay. Cisco is providing 24 bar 7 support they are providing. Okay. They are providing 24 bar 7 support. If you have any problem in any of your product, you can call the team actually, Cisco team. Their team called name is nothing but TAG. Okay, Technical Assistance Center. So team is available to support 24 bar 7. At any time, if you are having any problem with your product, they will support you. Okay, so there are a lot of advantage available here for Cisco here. So one is nothing but security, highly available. Okay, and support is nothing but 24 bar 7 support also they are providing. Okay, okay, Cisco they are providing certification. What are the different level of certification available? We have three level of certifications available here. First level, CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Second level, CCNP, Cisco Certified Network Professional. Third level, CCIE, Cisco Certified Internetworking Expert. Okay, currently we are learning this certification, CCNA, Cisco Certified Network Associate. Is
Mm.
it clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Okay, very good.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so what is networking is all about? Any idea? What is networking?
Networking in what?
Yes.
Sorry. What?
Yeah, what is networking?
No, not clue.
No
Not
idea.
really.
Like
Yes.
transfer or exchange of messages from one computer to other.
So the definition for networking is something but so two or more devices connected together is called as networking. Understood here? Two or more devices connected together. Suppose, for example, if I have computer with me, okay, so I have laptop with me, laptop or computer. I want to connect my laptop to another computer. This is called as networking. Okay, understood here? So when I connect two computers together, is called as networking. Okay, so or we can say multiple connection or interconnection of devices. When you say interconnection of devices mean what? Multiple devices are connected with each other. Okay, multiple devices are connected with each other. For example, here, so you can see here, interconnection of devices. We are connecting multiple devices, right?
Sir,
Yeah,
actually, we can't see your screen.
Sorry. Just share it once again. Now, can you able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So networking. What is networking? Ask, right? What is networking? What is networking is all about? Networking is nothing but two or more devices connected together. Okay, is called as networking. Okay. So when I say if you want to connect two computers together, is called as networking. Okay, two or more devices connected together is called as networking, or we can say interconnection of devices. When you say interconnection of devices, multiple devices are connecting. You can see here, I'm connecting multiple devices, right? Okay, this is also called as networking. Okay, interconnection of devices, or we can say multiple devices are connected with each other is called as networking. Is it clear?
Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
Why networking? Why we need to do networking?
The connection.
For communication.
Okay, for communication. Okay, very good. So we need to do networking for communication. Yes, anything else?
Mm, mm, basically the points I mentioned just now, like two or more devices are connected together, interconnection of networking devices like computer, printer, scanner.
Yeah, correct. What is it is correct actually. Both are correct actually. So why we need to do networking here, or we can say interconnection of devices, or we can say sharing of information. That's what we are doing networking, right? Sharing of information, or we can say sharing of resource. Okay, when you say sharing of information, we are sharing the email, we are sharing the file, we are sharing the application, we are sharing the software. It's called as what? Sharing of information. When you say sharing of resource, what is my sharing of resource here? Sharing of printer, sharing of scanner is called as also networking here. Apart from that, we are using networking for sending a document, sending an email, surfing the web here, accessing the database, downloading the music. Okay, that's what we are doing networking. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes,
Mm,
sir.
yeah.
Okay. So if you want to do networking, so what are things required for me? If you want to do networking, I want to do networking. So what are things required for me? Requirement for networking?
A PC or computer?
Very good. So we need to have a PC. Okay. Yes. Apart from PC, we are having PC at the transmitter end, PC at the receiver end. Okay. Very good. Okay. We need a PC or laptop. Anything. Okay. Sender, receiver. Right. Sender, receiver. Okay. Anything else?
A medium?
Ah, yes, excellent. Medium. Medium mean cable for connecting the PC, right? Okay. So we are saying, right? So what is required for me? You can see here transmitter. Okay, transmitter, receiver, medium. Medium might be wire, cable, or we can connect via wireless also. We can connect. Okay, wire or wireless. Anything else? So what is the information you are going to transfer? Right? Message. What is the information you are going to transfer, right? Message.
Mm.
Okay. So okay, message. Apart from that, we require protocol. Protocol. We require protocol. Okay. Understood here? Okay, what are things required for networking? Requirement for networking: sender, receiver,
Yes.
transmission medium, message, and protocols. Okay, clear? Sender, receiver, medium, message, and protocols. Okay, can you note on this one?
Evil.
So clear, right? Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Sender we know, receiver, medium, message, protocol. Okay. So what is my protocol? What is protocol is all about? Protocol is nothing but set of rules. Okay, it's nothing but set of rules. It defines how the information has to be transferred from one end to another end. It's called a protocol. Clear? Protocol is nothing but is a set of rules. Okay, it determines how the data is transmitted between the different devices. How the data is transmitted between the different devices is called a protocol. Understood?
Hmm.
Okay. And also define how communication should occur. How communication between the networking device should occur is called a protocol. So clear?
Yeah.
Okay. A set of rules, it determines how the device, how the data is transmitted between the networking device. How communication should occur is called a protocol. So why we need protocol? Yes, Brian, why we need to have protocol? Why?
Mm.
What is necessary to have protocol?
So that you can communicate. I guess.
Okay, communicate. So
So
directly we
that
can communicate,
like
right? But why need to have a protocol? Yes,
everyone should follow the same rule for communication.
everyone should follow
Uh,
the same rule. For example, okay, example I can say somebody knows. Okay, I can say here. Okay, somebody knows only the Spanish language. Somebody knows only the a Tamil language or Hindi language. If they want to communicate with each other, we need to have some kind of translator, right? So somebody knows what is the translator here? English. Okay. So English is a common language that can be used for understanding both the languages. Okay. So translator is required here. So similarly here, if one device, okay, one device follows some kind of rule, another device follows some kind of rule. If they want to communicate, we need to have a protocol to make them to understand each other. That's what we need to have protocol. Okay, who is defining the protocol? Who is defining? That means what? This is the way you need to communicate. This is the way you need to communicate. Who is defining? This is the
Mm.
way the packet need to be forwarded.
There's a specialized organization for
Yes,
that.
excellent. Correct. That's correct actually. Organization. Organization they are defining. Clear? Specialized organization. We can say here, okay, Brian, there are four organizations available. Four organizations. They are defining the protocols. Okay. So who are they? IEEE, Institute of Electrical Electronics Engineering. IETF, Internet Engineering Task Force. ISO, International Standard of our Organization. ITU, International Telecommunication Union. So these are the organizations. They are defining the protocols.
hmm. Yeah.
Okay. Clear, right?
Mm.
Okay, good. Okay, can you say some? Can you tell me some protocol name if you know already? Some protocols in computer network.
HTTP.
HTTP, very good. HTTP, very good. Anything? Any other protocols?
TCP, IP.
TCP, IP, very good. Any other protocols?
HTTPS.
HTTPS, okay, good. Okay, so we can see the protocol here. What is the protocol available? Okay, IP. IP is the topmost protocol. IP is the topmost protocol. Okay. So I'll send you the link directly to your mail ID. Okay, or WhatsApp also. Okay, after 10 minutes. IP is the topmost protocol. Okay. IP, under IP we have TCP, UDP, and ICP. Three protocols available. IP is the topmost protocol. Under IP we have TCP, UDP, and ICP. So these are the protocol available. These are protocol available. Okay, good. So under TCP, we have HTTP protocol available, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, lot of protocols available here. Okay, clear? So any idea why we are using this protocol, HTTP and HTTPS? Why we are using this protocol? What is the purpose of HTTP and HTTPS? Yes?
For browsing web pages.
Okay. Suppose, for example, if I open a web page here, you can see here. So, what is the protocol they are using here? Okay, what is the protocol? For example, like a HDFC Bank. Okay, HDFC Bank here. You can see here. Can you able to see here? What is the protocol we are using here?
HTTPS.
HTTPS protocol. Okay. Way to SMS, we will see. Way to SMS. This protocol also we can say HTTPS. HTTPS, right? HTTPS,
Mm.
TPS, HTTPS. Okay. So this protocol we are having, right? This mainly for browsing, web browsing. Okay. This difference between these two protocol. This protocol is completely unsecure protocol here, but this is nothing but for secure protocol. Okay. Suppose, for example, if you want to access any kind of web page, if you try to access any kind of web page here, we are typing, okay, we are typing www dot, okay, google.com. Okay. So we are using browser. We are using browser. The request has been forwarded to web browser. The request has been forwarded to web browser. Okay. To communicate with the web browser, okay, from your browser, to communicate with web server, okay, we are using these two protocol, HTTP protocol and HTTPS protocol. HTTPS is more secure when compared to HTTP. Okay. What about FTP protocol? Brian, any idea why we are using FTP?
No.
FTP. FTP. What is the name here? File transfer. Okay. So file transfer. What is mean file transfer? So in my network, if you want to transfer file, if you want to transfer file from one device to another device, one device to another. If you want to transfer file from one device to another device, we require a protocol called FTP protocol. Is it clear? Brian, understood or not?
Sorry, can you repeat?
Okay. FTP, suppose in a network, okay, in a network. So example here, okay, we can carry this network actually. So if you want to transfer, the information, from here to here, so I want to transfer some information from here to here. Okay, so one device to another device, I want to transfer the information from here to another device here. Got it? For this one we require a protocol. The protocol name is FTP. Understood right now? File transfer, to move the file from one device to another device, we require this protocol. That is called a file transfer protocol. Clear, Brian?
Yeah.
Ashura, is okay, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So telnet and SSH. So you are in UK, for example. You are in UK. You want to access the file which is available there in India. For example, I want to log in. I want to log in from here to this device. Okay, might be example I can say I am in India. My device is available there in UK. Clear? The device. Now I want to log in to this device. I want to log into the device. So what is required for me? Okay, the requirement is nothing but I can go for telnet or SSH protocol. That is nothing but a remote login. Remote login. I can go for telnet or SSH. Remote login. Is it clear? Remotely, I can log into this device. If you want to log in from my device, the device which is available in UK, we require two protocols, SSH or telnet. Any one of the protocols required for me. Clear? Ashura, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Brian?
No, I don't understand.
Okay. So where are you right now? You are in Singapore. Okay. Brian, you are in Singapore, right?
Ah,
Okay, you are in Singapore. I have a device available there in India. Okay, this is a router. Maybe router is available there in India. Clear? Okay, Brian. This is a router.
yeah.
Okay,
Yes, that's
this
the
is your
router.
PC. This is a PC. You are having a PC or laptop. Maybe your laptop. Okay, from your laptop, you want to log in. Log in means what? You want to connect. From here to here, you want to connect. So might be in between that we have internet. Okay, so we have internet available between that. Okay, you are connecting via internet only. Okay, clear? Now you want to log in. Log in means what? You want to access the router from your laptop. So what we can do? We can type a protocol. The protocol name is nothing but telnet. Telnet along with the IP address. Might be I can say the IP address of the router. Okay. So telnet along with the IP address I have to type. Telnet along with the IP address I have to type. If I type that I use here. If I type the protocol, I can easily log into the device here. It shows a router. Got it? I can log in from here. From here, I can able to access the router. Okay. So example, I can say right now most of the company, okay, most of the company are available in different countries. You are providing access for the company, right? Yes or no, Brian? You are going to work for a company, right? You have to remotely log in. You have to remotely log into the device. You need to troubleshoot the problem. How will you do it? By using this protocol only.
Oh, okay.
Okay, for example, we have Amazon company. They are available there in the US. Amazon company, they are available there in the US, right? But you are in Singapore. You want to access the Amazon company. How will you log in? By using this protocol only. We have to use the protocol to remotely log into the device. Understood?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have two protocol available here. One is Telnet, another one is SSH. Two protocols available. We can use any one of the protocol. We can use telnet protocol, we can use, or we can use SSH also we can use. Okay, the difference, what is the difference here? Telnet and SSH. If I use telnet here, we have to type the username password, right? Username might be, I can say, okay, username DNA, password I can say ABC. So Aishwarya, is it clear for you, right? Whatever we
Yeah,
discussed so
yes.
far, right? Okay.
It's clear.
So why we are using HTTP protocol? Why HTTP protocol?
HTTP
HTTP, yeah.
for
HTTP
browsing web pages.
web page. Okay. So mainly for accessing the web server from your
Okay.
browser. Accessing web server from your browser, we need HTTP, right? HTTPS. What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS?
It's secured and that is not secured.
Okay. Secure and not. What is the meaning of secure here?
What's the meaning of?
Secure.
Hello.
Yes, yes, yes.
Maybe it's encrypted.
I'm sharing the screen here. Okay. So we discussed about HTTP protocol and HTTPS protocol, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And also we discussed about FTP and SSH, right? So we'll discuss about this one. HTTP protocol is unsecure. HTTPS secure. So here, when you say HTTPS, you can see I open here, right? This HTTPS website has been monitored by some other organization. We can say here ditch certification. They will monitor the traffic, whatever the traffic it has been flowing via HTTPS, this company will manage. This company will monitor the website completely. So in case of any hacker trying to attempt trying to attack this website, this company will take care of these issues. That's what is HTTPS is more secure. Okay. So here when it comes to telnet and SSH, the difference here, Brian, when you use a telnet connection, when you use telnet here, this protocol, the username which you are sending, right, this is the username password. This username password has been transferring from your device to other device. Okay, understood here? Your username password, what are the typing? Your username you are typing, right? The username password has been transferred from your device to other device. Okay, so if suppose somebody hack your network, somebody hacked your network, okay, they can get the username and password. Okay, if they hack your network, and they can get the username and password. Okay, when you go for telnet connection, that means the username and password is completely what in terms of plain text. Whatever the username password you are typing, right, it has been it has been forwarded via this link. But when you use SSH, so when you use SSH here, the user and password type here, this will be converted into encrypted format. For example, it will be like a symbol. Okay, it will be like symbol here. This will be like a symbol here. Okay, okay, whatever the user and password typing, right, this symbol encrypted. Your information will be encrypted while sending the information from your laptop to the router here. When you use SSH protocol, the difference understood, right? What is the difference between telnet and SSH? What is the difference between telnet and SSH here? Yes, Aishwarya, what is the difference?
The credentials are not shared as
Okay,
such, and it's encrypted
okay. The
in
difference,
SSH.
when you use a telnet, the information will be transferred in the form of what? Plain text. Okay, but here when you use SSH here, the information will be transferred in form of encrypted format. Okay, encrypted format. Is it clear, Brian? Brian understood?
Yeah, I guess so, yeah.
Okay, good. Yeah. So your this one is not secure at all. Telnet is not secure. This one is more secure. Clear? Okay, good. Next thing, SMTP, POP3 and IMAP. So we have three protocol available, right? SMTP, POP3, IMAP. Okay, what is the purpose of this protocol here? Okay, SMTP, POP3, and IMAP here. So I want to send a email. I want to send an email from my laptop or mobile phone to another device here. Might be. So for sending an email, we require these protocols. For sending an email, we require this protocol. So what is the protocol available here? We have SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. Three protocols are required here. SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. We require three protocols. What is the difference between these three protocols here? SMTP, POP3, and IMAP here. So when you use SMTP protocol, when you use SMTP protocol, for example, I want to send an email from my mobile, right, to the mail server. Okay, from my laptop to the mail server here. Mail server might be, I can say, Gmail server. Gmail server here, mail server. I want to transfer into, might be, I can say here, Yahoo or Hotmail. Hotmail server here. This is one of the mail server. Okay, I want to transfer here. Listen properly. If you, okay, I want to send a mail from this PC to this PC here. If you want to send an email from here to here, we are using a protocol called SMTP protocol. SMTP. That means your laptop to the mail server, we are using SMTP protocol. From mail server to mail server, here also we are using SMTP protocol. SMTP protocol, simple mail transfer protocol here we are using here. But when you want to transfer the information from your mail server to your device, there are two protocols required here. One is POP3, another one is IMAP. We can use any one of the protocol. Okay, the difference here, what is the difference between POP3 and IMAP here? When you use POP3, okay, when you use POP3 here, if I apply POP3 mapping, POP3, what will happen here? Your mail will be delivered to the mail server. Once mail has been delivered, your mail will be deleted from your mail server. Mail has been getting deleted. When you try to open from your mobile phone, or when you try to open from your tablet, or when you try to open from some other device, smartphone, the mail will not be available. You cannot be able to open the email here. We cannot be able to open the email if we configure POP3. But if you configure as IMAP, if you configure as IMAP, you can able to access the email. You can able to access the email from any device. For example, here laptop also you can able to open, tab also you can able to open, smart TV also you can able to open. You can able to open from any device if you configure via IMAP. If you configure via IMAP. Is it clear, understood? Once again, I will repeat the same here. For email service, okay, we require three protocol. Clear? For email service, we require three protocol. What is the protocol required here? SMTP protocol, POP3 and IMAP. Three protocols required for email. You want to send an email, might be I can say this is my mail ID. For example, okay, Subbaya at Gmail. I'm using Subbaya at Gmail here. Example I can say. Okay, so might be I can say your email ID might be Aishwarya. Your email ID might be Aishwarya at hotmail.com. Okay, this is a mail ID. Okay, so I want to transfer email, okay, from Gmail account into Hotmail account, right? For transfer the email from Gmail account to Hotmail account, first thing, my mail has been transferred from here to the mail server. For this one, we are using a protocol called SMTP protocol. Similarly, from mail server to mail server, we are using a protocol called SMTP protocol. Very simple mail transfer protocol. From SMTP mail server to your device, we can configure via POP3 or IMAP. Any one of the protocol we can configure. The difference here is nothing but if you configure POP3, if you configure as POP3 here, what will happen? Your mail, once you are able to, for example, if I configure my IMAP here, if you configure IMAP, what will happen here? Okay, you can able to access the mail via laptop, via desktop, via tab here, via laptop, any device. Any device you can able to open your email. Okay, smart TV. Okay, any device can open the email. Okay, but when you configure POP3 here, once you configure to open only for your laptop, you cannot able to access the mail from any of the device here because your mail will be getting deleted. So this one is highly secure when you configure POP3. Understood here? This one is highly secure. So critical mails will be configured in POP3 manner only. But our email, right now we are using email, right? We can open via mobile phone, we can open via tab here, we can open via any other device. It's not much secure. Is it clear? Okay, we can open via if you configure IMAP here. We can open from any device. That's meaning here. But if you configure a POP3, you can open or you can use from only one device only. Is it clear, Brian?
No.
Aishwarya, can I explain what you understood?
Actually, for email to work, we need three protocols. That is SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. So, if from your laptop to your mail server, you use SMTP, and for server to server, you also use SMTP. But when it goes from your server to your computer, you have two other protocols. That is POP3 and IMAP. So basic difference between these two is that in IMAP, once you've read your messages, it doesn't get deleted. So that means you can also use it. I mean, you can also read it from your other computers. But in POP3, once it is read, it gets deleted from your server, so you can't access it from your other computers.
Good. Brian,
Hmm.
okay, this is your laptop, for example. Okay, you are sending a mail to another laptop here. Okay, so if you want to send a email from one location to another location, we require mail servers. Okay, we require mail server. For transferring email from your laptop to your mail server, we are using a protocol called SMTP protocol. From one mail server to another mail server also, we are using SMTP protocol. For delivering mail, the mail has to be delivered, right? For this one, we require two protocol. Okay, it may be POP3 or IMAP. Any one of the protocol we can configure. Most of the places we have been configured with IMAP only. We have been configured with IMAP. If we configure with IMAP, we can able to open our email from your laptop, from your mobile phone, from your desktop, any device you can able to view our email. We can see our email. Okay, but when you configure POP3 here, it can be accessible only via one device only. Is it clear right now?
I guess so. I don't know. Yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
So far, okay. What is the protocol we defined here? Okay. This is a protocol: HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, SSH, Telnet. Okay. Then SMTP, POP3, IMAP. This is the protocol we discussed. Clear? Okay. So today's session actually, what are the things we cover actually so far? We start with networking, right? What is networking is all about here. So we understood that networking is nothing but two or more devices connected together. It's called as networking. If I connect two computers together, that is also networking. If I connect multiple computers together, it's also called as networking. Okay, when I say device here, it may be anything. It may be computer, printer, scanner, router, switch, any kind of device. It may be any device. Okay, so device means what? It can be anything. Okay, so if you want to connect two or more devices, is called as networking, or interconnection of devices is called as networking here. So why we need to do networking here? Why? What is the purpose? Why we have to do networking here? Sharing of information and sharing of resource. Information sharing and resource sharing here. When you say information sharing, email, files, application, software, this all comes under information sharing here. Resource sharing, printer, scanner, all comes under information sharing. Apart from that, we are using networking for sending a document, email, surfing the web here, accessing the database, downloading the music. Yeah, for this one, we are using networking. So, what are things required for networking? What is the requirement? Okay, requirement is nothing but sender, receiver, transmission medium, message, and also we need to say setup protocol. Okay, so requirement for networking: sender, receiver, transmission medium, message. What message you are going to forward? Then finally, protocol here. When you say protocol, protocol is nothing but what? It's nothing but rule, set of rule. It defines how the information has been transferred from one device to another device. It defines how communication has to be occur. How many communication should occur? devices is called as protocol here. Then finally we discuss about what are the protocols available here. Okay, we have protocol IP, TCP, UDP, and ICP protocol available. Okay, in IP, okay, or in TCP, we have multiple protocols available. So this is the protocol available we discussed. So any doubts, Aishwarya, so far what we discussed?
No, sir.
Brian, do you have any doubts in today's session?
No.
Okay, good. So quickly revise something here. Networking. What is networking, Aishwarya? What is networking is all about?
Connection of devices.
Connection of devices. Okay, or we can say interconnection of devices.
Interconnection.
Okay, it's called as networking. Clear, Brian? Okay. What is me? Why we are going for networking? Why we need to do networking? Why?
Uh, what? What is it?
Why we have to do networking?
To send a message? I
Send a
forgot.
message. Okay. Good. Yeah. Sharing of information. Sharing of information, or we can say sharing of resource. Okay. Good. So, what are things required for networking? What are things required for networking?
Sender,
Sender,
receiver,
receiver,
a medium,
medium,
the data, the message
data,
that you
and
send,
rules.
and the protocol.
Protocols. That set of rules, right? So, okay, good. Who is defining the protocol? Which organization they are defining the protocol? What are the organizations?
ISO, IEEE,
IEEE,
I, IETF, and IETU.
IETF,
ITU.
ITU. So these are the organizations, they define the protocol. So we have a lot of protocols available, right? Very good. Okay, good. Okay, we have up to this we completed, right? Okay, good. So thank you all. Okay, I think we can close the session today. We can meet by around
Yeah.
tomorrow. Okay, is it okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Brian.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay, we'll meet by around.
Okay.
Okay, we'll meet by tomorrow by around 8:30. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Wait, I actually have a question I want to ask.
Yes.
Do we